Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to create a space on the quora.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website on your device. Go to your home page by tapping on the home button at the top and tap on the create space button in the left side. After that you should type in your name and the name of your space and then write a few description or a brief description including a few keywords to show people what to expect if they join. So just type it in and click on the create button down below, and you can skip importing, and here you can add contributors, you can get the invite link, and here you will be able to check out your own space. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.